Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about nested if else statement in C. First of all, we will see the forms of nested if else statement. After this, we will take an example to understand how to use nested if else statement. Let's start with the form of nested if else statement. If in bracket condition 1, then in curly braces statement or group of statements to be executed, then curly braces close. Else if in bracket condition 2, then in curly braces you can write statements you want to execute, then curly braces close. Else if in bracket condition 3, then in curly braces you can write statements which you want to execute, then curly braces close. Else in curly braces statement or group of statements to be executed. Now let's understand this form with the help of an example. Now in this example, we will compare two numbers and print the message to the screen. If number 1 is equal to number 2, then we print number 1 and number 2 are equal. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then we print number 1 greater than number 2. If number 1 is less than number 2, then we print number 1 less than number 2. Here we use variable m for number 1 and variable n for number 2. Now let's see the program for this example. First of all, we include our library files, that is standard input output library and console input output library. Then we have our main function, that is int main, and here we use two integer variable m and n. Then we print the message, enter two numbers. After this we take the numbers from the user. Then our nested if else statement starts. If m equals n, then print m is equal to n. Else if m is greater than n, then print m greater than n. Else print m is less than n. Now our main function ends with return value 0. Now let's compile and run this program in the compiler. Now we enter two numbers 100 and 200. Again we compile and run this program. This time we enter 200 and 100. Now this time we enter 100 and 100. Now this time it will print 100 equals 100. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe our channel.